Hello, Kuya Totoy! Today is your birthday, kaya andito kami para batiin ka ng isang maligayang kaarawan.
Happy birthday, Kuya Totoy! May you have more birthdays to come, more blessings, and love of your family.
Happy birthday. See you soon.
See you
Happy
soon!
birthday! Sana
Okay.
mabusog mo kami!
Hello kay Totoy, happy 70th birthday. I hope you enjoy this day, no? And I just want to read some verse for encouragement lang, no? Sabi sa Book of Numbers 6:24 to 25, sabi rito, "The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you." Yan ang prayer ko sa iyo. And happy birthday and long and fruitful life, no? Para sa iyo. No? That's all.
Hi, Kuya Totoy. Happy 70th birthday. I'm pretty sure you're enjoying your special day today. And then also, I'd like to pronounce blessing to you from the Word of God in Isaiah 46, verse 3, halfway of verse 3. It says, sabi ng Panginoon, I have cared for you since you were born. Yes, I carried you before you were born. I'll be your God throughout your lifetime until your hair is white with age. I made you and I will care for you. I will carry you along and save you. So that's a promise of God to you, that He will carry you and care for you. I hope we reach your age as well. It's a blessing from the Lord to live a long life, and hope that you will encounter more places, to travel, meet new people, learn new things, and enjoy each moment and take life easy. Thank you, Kuya, and thank you for being good Kuya to us, and hope to see you soon. God bless and
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy 70th birthday, Tito. I pray that the Lord bless you more abundantly in your coming years. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Tito, and God bless.
Okay, happy birthday!
Happy birthday! God bless!
Cheers!
Hi there! To all of you joining the celebration of this wonderful event of my Kuya Toti. Hi, Kuya Toti! Happy birthday! We're so happy there's another year added to your life. And we always pray na more years to come. In good health, of course with Ate Lisa, your anak, mga anak, and mga apos. Okay? We're so thankful na you've been a good kuya to us. Since childhood, sinasama kami ni Ate Lisa sa inyong gala kasi lilibre niyo lang kami sa sinehan. And we're so happy na tuwa kami habang nanonood ng movie. Siyempre, may mga apple na kinakain and more. Ayan. Sa paglabas pa rin, gano'n. And naalala ko rin yung mga dinala mo kami sa province nyo, yung swimming, and masaya. And of course, sa paglaki ko pa, alam ko you're guiding my family also. Gayon ni Ate Lisa. Salamat, you've been a good brother to us. Yun, and hope yung pagbalik nyo, at summertime, we can do bonding also in beaches siguro, Mitra and Alcala family, ganon, Uliado, Inson, and Santos, ganon. And hopefully, bigyan kami ng opportunity na kami naman ang mag-ambagan para malibre kayo, ganon. No? Okay, these greetings is from me, God, and my family, Collado, and I always pray na more blessings to all of us. God bless you.